Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video you will be notified. So here in this video we're going to be discussing about how to make money online watching different kind of videos online. So I'll be sharing with you different kind of websites in which you can actually use to make money by watching video on different kind of website. So I understand the fact that there are a lot of side hustles you can actually do to make money online, and of course there are some kind of like easy tasks you can do to make money online, and also there are some hard tasks as well to make money online. But I want to tell you in this video, this is not a side hustle whereby you make thousands of dollars per day or like $100 per day task. So this is just a gradual process, and if you collate or gather everything together which you make on all these websites, you will be amount to something. So I'll be showing you different kind of websites in which you can use to make money online. Also, the amount you can earn on these websites depend on how much time you have and how extra time you have working online. If you want to watch video daily, it's possible to earn between 10 to $20 on each website, and if you calculate that on a monthly basis, you will end up like having about $200 or thereabout on all these kind of websites which I'm going to list to you in this video. So, and some videos might pay you $2 per watching each videos, and I can't really say how long each video will take you, but of course you are going to make money on every video you want on this website. The requirements you need to watch videos online are either your tablet, you have laptop or mobile phone. You can use any of these three devices to watch video online and make money with it. First website I'll be sharing with you in this video is Timebox. Timebox is a website that paid you for watching different kind of videos, playing game online, posting on your Facebook timeline, and viewing funny slideshows, and installing some app, and as well as completing micro tasks, and as well as answering some surveys online. So this website pay you in different kind of ways, and of course you can earn a daily bonuses on this website. Also you can earn instantly you started registering or have an account on this website. Also you earn based on the referral program, and weekly payout is enabled on this website. So as you can see, this website doesn't hold your money on a monthly basis. They pay you every week. No matter amount you make on a weekly basis, this Timebox website is going to pay you your money. So now if you want to set up your account, just click on the sign up here. Then it will require your email and your password as well, and then you repeat your password as well to confirm your password. So I already set up an account on this website to test this to make this video. So I'll be imputing the my login here. So I'll click on I'm not a robot here, so I will complete this verification. So here it will log me here. Okay, so now here is my dashboard, which I just told you I just open an account. So if you want to see some tasks you can actually perform, you click on the N here. So once you click on N here, then you proceed to content. You proceed to content here. Then you see different kind of task. So it says that I must complete my profile before I can access this page. So you just need to complete your profile, then you move on ahead to the next thing which you have to do. So then after that you start taking each task based on the one that you like or the one that you think you can actually do on your own. And of course you can actually earn or withdraw based on how you actually want it. There are different kind of withdrawal, which is PayPal, gift card, as well as Payoneer. So it depends on how you want to withdraw your money on this Timebox website. So the second website which I'll be sharing with you is Pico Worker. I don't know if you have heard about this website before, but of course this website is paying people and it's legit. Every website I'm showing you in this video, they are legit and they are paying for real. Sorry, I think I entered the wrong address. Okay, so here you can perform small gigs for business and then you get paid. Also, the extra thing you can actually do here is earning through affiliate program on this website, whereby people sign up on through your link, then you earn commission based on what they earn on the platform. So it's just the sign up bonus. After that, you won't earn anything or know anything about how much they are actually making on their account as well. So just proceed to sign up here. I already signed up on this account as well to confirm and verify the website too. So I'll be logging in the account. On this particular website, there are a lot of people and business owners that come to this website to hire people to perform a task for them. And on this website, there are different type of tasks you can actually perform to make money on it. So there are some people who will come on this website and tell you to register on some of the website, and you provide them your email in regard to get paid from them. And of course, there are some that will come on this website and tell you to watch their YouTube videos, just like the way you are watching this one, their YouTube videos. Then you will earn some commission um, based on what they actually requested from you. So you can also switch. So if you want to hire someone on this platform, and you can switch to worker if you want to work to make money on this website as well. So as you can see what I just did right now. So then if you want to make more money as soon as possible on this particular website, you will need to filter your location to US. So you can see high paying task on this website. You can see how high paying task on this website, and you can also choose on different kind of categories. As you can see here, this is video marketing, which you are going to watch video to make money online. So you can choose any of this category. Then maybe I'll choose international and see what we have. So here, this is what you make. If you like this particular video, comment and also share to people or share on your social media platform, and you will earn 0.70 cents, which is very close to $1 on this particular task. As you can see, this particular buyer or client need 30 people to perform a task on this video, and 28 people have already react to this task, and it will remain only 2 people to react to this task to get completed. And there are some other tasks as well. As you can see, this is advanced, and these are some other tasks which you can actually do and make money on it. So as you can see, this particular person hire over 96,000 people to subscribe to this channel. Imagine how much this person have spent on this particular task, and how much people are really making on this particular task. So you subscribe and turn on the bell icon, just that, and you earn 40 cents for doing that. This doesn't take you even 2 minutes to do that. So now imagine if you perform like 10 tasks or 20 tasks in a day on this particular website alone, and also participating on the Timebox website and doing different kind of tasks which you are doing on this Pico Worker as well. Imagine how much you will be making on each of these platforms on a daily basis. So these are the two platforms which I have verified so far, and I'm sure they are really working and they are very legit. So if you try any of these websites, I'm sure you are going to make money watching different kind of videos online and make money from them. So, and don't forget, like I said earlier on, this is not a website where you make thousands of dollars on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, but this is just a side also service you can render to make little money online if you are looking for how to make money online. So you can find your time, if you can spend like 2 or 3 hours on a daily basis to work on all these two websites and make money from them. So I think this is not a risky platform, and they are very legit, and if you give it a try, I'm very sure you won't regret any of this platform. So if you have any question, kindly drop a comment and I will reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.